Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to log into your Toobit account. If you want to access your crypto trades but don't know how to start, then you can easily log into your existing Toobit account. So let's get started. First of all, launch open the Toobit application on your smartphone and get to this home page. Once you're inside this page, go to the top left corner and tap on the human icon and then click on login. Now in the login interface, you'll need to type in your email or phone number associated with your Toobit account. Once you type it down, click next. On the next field, you'll need to enter your password for your Toobit account. If you don't remember your password, you can tap on the forgot password link and follow through the password reset instructions. If you remember your password, type it down in the text box where it says enter a password. Right after you do that, click on login. Complete the CAPTCHA. Now, after you type in your password, you need to verify your account. Go ahead and click send right next to the email tab and the 6-digit code will be sent to you via email. But before that, complete this small CAPTCHA. And once you receive the code via email, go ahead and look for your email. You'll receive an email from Toobit. Click it open and copy the code inside it. Now get back to the Toobit app and paste in the code. And now open up your Google Authenticator app if you have enabled two-factor authentication. Copy the code from Toobit. Get back to Toobit app and paste it in inside the authenticator code email and click OK. Once you do that, you'll be able to log into your existing Toobit account. So that is how you easily do it. That way you can easily get access to your Toobit account. Whether you are holding, day trading, or just checking the market, you are now securely logged in and ready to go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.